This is my bike. I'm gonna run you guys through the parts. These are ODI softies in purple. I have S&M 9-inch rise bars. I have a stock fit stem.
Slow down.
I have a stock fit stem. I have some headset. I don't know what headset that is. I have stock fit forks. I have a G-Sport birdcage laced to a colony wasp. And I have Fit Wizard pegs. So my frame is the Fit Wi-Fi. My seat is stock fit. My pedals are Odyssey twisted in purple. My cranks are stock fit. My bottom bracket is probably fit, I don't really know. My back wheel is Primo VS rim laced to a colony wasp. Hub sound for you guys. Okay. My sprocket is Shadow 28 tooth, and my chain is KMC Hollow Link.
What about your tires?
And my tires are Demolition Momentum.
Seat clamp?
My
Seat post?
Seat post is Demolition.
Alright, cool.
Phew!